Hey, I want to show you another flower I'm making, and after I glue these pieces together, because I got them where I want them, then I'll show you where I got the material. So, okay, let me lift this off. This yellow flower material, it come off a little dress I got at Attic Treasures thrift store, and I think it was $1. And then I got a lot of these. It was a Valance, a window Valance. I forget, I didn't give much for them. It was 2 of them, and so far, okay, let me see if I can slide that out of the way. So far I've got 14 of these. So I was pretty happy about that. Okay, let's see. Let me make sure I got the correct side up. Okay. And I'm gonna, it's hard to tell which is the correct side on this. So I guess it don't really matter. And I put a hole in the middle because when I put the little flower in the center, I forgot to cut some felt, but I want it to kind of sink down. So that's the purpose of that. Oh, and if it turns into a silent movie, it's because I've caught another cold and I've went into a coughing fit, so I'll have to edit and mute that part. I've been coughing all night. Okay, I'm going to use this cardboard I used in another one since I didn't cut any felt. I don't like the cardboard on the back, but it'll work for now. I can rip it off like I did the last one. So I won't put a ton of glue. Okay, and I'll show you, this is the dress, and there's where I cut out some of the pieces, and it's got this yellow fabric inside, and then the Valance, it just has all this hanging down, and then let's see, you can see the flower shape right there, and then it's got this material. And I made this to go on the back, but I don't think I like it. Well, I've got cardboard on it, but I don't know, it might be okay. I can always rip the cardboard off and add it later. And this little flower was on the dress, but it was like that garland that Walmart has in the wedding section, the kind of ugly flowers. The pieces were folded like this and just attached in weird ways and totally flat, so I kind of melted the edges a little and then just stacked them up. So now I'm going to turn it over where that's my bottom, and I could probably glue, I'm going to line line up this see-through fabric with the yellow, just because it's so thin. Well, I had it lined up. I figure if it pokes down in there, you know, it'll help it look fluffy. Okay. Some glue. I'm gonna alternate the yellow petals. So I'll put that one in between those two. You know, I even thought about if you put some of that flat, what do you call it, batting for quilts, and put a hole in the middle and then put your felt, that would that would really help it fluff up also, I think. And then if the white showed, it'd be fine, I guess. Okay, where's my last petal? Yeah, every time I get a cold or allergies, anything, it always just gets in my lungs really bad. Unfortunately, I think this one might be, yeah, I think that one's a little bigger, so I'll do it next. I was wanting to make this video earlier. I'd have been more organized and could have been louder because nobody was in bed at that point, but I took some of that 24-hour allergy medicine. It seems to be helping a little bit. Not enough. I don't know if it's a head cold or what. Well, that looks cute, and it would look good with the white stuff behind it. I don't know. And this little button was on the dress, and I wanted the yellow thread still in the middle, and I was too lazy to hunt some yellow thread, so I just cut the fabric where the thread would still be on there. So I'm going to plop that in the middle. Oh, I got carried away with my glue. Hopefully it won't show. Okay, and that's how it looks so far. Let's stand up and see. Okay. Now let's put the white stuff here. Just to get an idea. I think it just sticks out too far is what I don't like. I'm not sure. Anyway, it looks cute and simple like that. And I thought about putting this little flower off the dress in the center, but I changed my mind. And then the button too. And I have another set of leaves. But I don't know if I want to add them or not. It might look good with other leaves. Yeah, let's do that. I cut them off thinking I didn't want to use them, but maybe I can put them in a different area where they're not directly across from each other. Oh, that's too close, I believe. No, it looks like a reindeer. Okay, directly across. Okay, we'll put them right there. I didn't think about it. I gotta squish that through that. So just this way. Okay. Ta-da! I think that's cute. Okay, I'll try the white stuff one more time. Y'all have to let me know what y'all think. Let's see, and it would be squished down in it probably. I don't know, I just ain't wild about it. I can use that white stuff on something else. I think I'll just leave it like that, but you can still let me know what you think. But anyway, thanks for watching, and I'm hoping to do another video soon. I got these candelabras that I have been fighting with all day to take apart and try to make them taller and put a different base on them. So hopefully I'll be putting that video up soon. So, okay, hit the like button. Thanks for watching.